Once you've chosen the programme you'd like to study, making an application is quick and easy. You can find the application form by going to the relevant programme page on our website. Go to www.london.ac.uk and click on Courses. Once you've found your programme page, click on Apply Now. Before you begin your application, you'll need to create an account. This will just take a minute or two. If you've studied with us before or have previously started an application, get in touch with us and we'll let you know if you need to submit a new application. Every section of the application should be completed, including the supporting statement, education and English proficiency sections. If you intend to study with a teaching centre, you should select the relevant centre from the list, then confirm that you give consent to us to provide updates on the progress of your application to the centre. You must make sure you tick the declaration. You'll be then asked to upload supporting documentation. You can arrange for the awarding or examining authority to send us a statement or transcript of your results. Or you can have your original documents verified by an official authority, business or organisation. Verification means that your original document has been seen and a photocopy has been stamped and signed to be a true copy of the original. You can take your original document and photocopy of the original to the following: the awarding body, the British Council, Commissioner of Oaths, Justice of the Peace, local bank or postal service, local council or government, local or foreign embassy, Ministry of Education, Notary Public, police force, or solicitor. If none of these options are available, contact us and we'll be happy to consider alternative parties. We do not require verified evidence of full name and date of birth, just an uploaded scan of an acceptable form of ID, such as a passport, birth certificate, national identification card, UK driving licence or alien registration certificate. Evidence must also be provided of any name change. If applicable, you'll then be asked to submit the application fee. This can be paid either online or offline. If there is a required application fee, then the application will not be processed until this fee has been successfully received. Once your application has been submitted, we aim to respond within 5 working days with one of the following: an offer, a request for further documents, or advice on what further qualifications are needed in order to meet our entry requirements. If you are successful, then you'll be sent an offer by email with details on how to complete online registration. If registration is open, then you'll receive your username and password within 48 hours. If registration is not currently open, then your offer will contain information on when you will receive your login details. The application deadline date can be found on our website on the relevant programme page. You can apply even if you're waiting for further evidence or completion of qualifications. We will advise on what is needed in order to meet our entry criteria.